Hello, guys. Welcome back to Tune Up Your Frequency by Angel Beyond. And this is me, Heike Stenzel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's so beautiful to see you back here. And we're starting right away with closing the eyes. If you're driving, certainly not. So close your eyes, and with me, we bring our awareness consciousness with our beautiful breath from our nose down to our powerhouse. The powerhouse is sitting straight in the below the belly button, the navel. Inhaling now with me from your nose, bring your awareness down to the second energy center, the powerhouse, and hold your breath there for some seconds. And when we exhale now with the nose, you bring your awareness down to the feet, anchoring yourself, anchoring and grounding yourself in the present moment, in the here and now. We do another breath in through the nose, slowly and deeply down to the powerhouse, the second energy center, navel area. Holding the breath there, activated, activated. Is our powerhouse now activated? Holding the breath. And when we exhale from your nose, you bring your awareness down to the feet. Feel your feet grounding, rooting down to planet Earth, Gaia, Mother Earth. You may feel tingling on your feet or getting warm. Good connections. If not, you're still connected. We're taking another breath in from our nose. Feel the presence within yourself. Bring your awareness with the conscious breath we have done into the second energy center and hold your breath there. And you exhale from your nose. Bring your awareness down to the feet, grounding, grounding, wriggling down your roots, your presence. Okay, guys, two more. Inhaling from the nose, bring your breath down to the navel area. Hold the breath there. You are wonderful. Feel this message for you. You are wonderful. And exhale. Bring your awareness down to your feet to ground this message. You are wonderful. We are wonderful beings here. Inhale from the nose. Bring your breath down to your navel area. Hold your breath there. And when you exhale, bring your awareness down to your feet. So we go here with a beautiful present that we have charged ourselves within. Remembering the heart is your guidance, the heart is the truth, the heart has its message for you, coming straight away. Continuing with the spiritual growth in having lessons to accomplish within. Challenging, you can ask your guides, your angels, your higher consciousness. Ask and receive and really trust. If you see there is some challenge around, trust. Heal this part step by step within yourself. So spiritual growth, ask and receive. And the answer to a question you may have had is yes. It may come in a different way that you may expect. You're on your path. And the spiritual growth is never ending, as is energy never ending, unlimited potentials. Stay tuned throughout the day, through the coming days. Check in how your frequency is and allow yourself to grow deeper into your well-being. into your true self. And now, closing this here with love and appreciation until we see us again.